Hi guys, now I'm going to teach you how to take the music that you downloaded onto your computer from Mobile9, how you're going to install it into your cell phone. Okay, so I've plugged in my cell phone to my computer, which opens up my BlackBerry window here. So I'm going to open folder, go to BlackBerry folder here. I'm going to go to my music. I don't know if I put in my music. There it is. Now I'm going to open up my Mobile9 and I'm going to find, I'm going to minimize that for the moment. That's my BlackBerry one. So I'll move this over here. Now I'm going to go and to my computer and to my documents, my music folder. I'm going to go into my Mobile9 folder. I'm going to find the song that I just downloaded, which is the Europa. I'm going to take it, I'm going to click on it, drag it, drop it in, and now it's in my cell phone. Okay, so now to retrieve it from my cell phone, I'll unplug it, wait for it to do its thing. Okay. Now down here, I'm going to go into my music. Oh, here it is. Music here. All songs. And then I'm going to find it right here. Wait a minute, that's not the one I just downloaded. This is it. I had two. I have the regular one and then the one for the ringtone. You'll see this. Alright, now to put it onto, let's say, somebody's the ringer, I'm going to come here to my phone book. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put it to custom ringtone. I'm going to go into my music folder that I created. I'm going to scroll down to my Mobile9. I'm going to go into, look again for the Europa file. I'm going to click on it and my custom ringtone is set. Okay, so whenever I get a call from Enrique, that's what I will hear. Okay guys, I hope this has helped you and that you try it out yourselves and have fun with it. It's very easy and I think you'll have fun as I have with knowing who's calling me and what calls I want to take when I want to take it. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.